Hello everyone, it is, oh god, hiccups, god, I've been having these all day, it's annoying me, but, so, today, oh my god, there's no ice in there, I don't know why I did that, but anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so, oh my god! He's like, really? You think they stop after a while? Ow! Okay, that one hurt. It's $10 says that, ow! That this video is going to consist of only me hiccuping. Fuck. I need some good cures for this. Like, I know there's drink water or, something while holding your breath or something. No, but why don't you choke yourself on that? So, there's hold your breath while sitting upside down. I could try that, but I'm lazy. So, okay, I'm thinking that now. Okay, I'm good. Am I good? Okay, I'm good, but I don't want to take a chance. So, goodbye.